Doug, it's Michelle. I just wanted to show you my really dirty deck. This is, I just got it wet with the power washer so you can see the circles that the machine made. It's still really dirty. And then I use that applicator to spray on the special soap that you gave me. And then I'm going to use this brush, deck brush, to scrub it. And then I'm going to power wash it off with my power washing thing. And I'm going to do on this side, you can see how dirty it is, really dirty. So this is power washed, you can see the lines on it. This area over here, I didn't power wash, I just got it wet and put the solution on. So we'll see what the difference is like. This is what it looks like after a bit of a scrub with the brush. You can see the water is starting to pool up. The dirt is starting to pool up in the little pools. You can see my footprints. So the dirt's there, but it's lifting up. This is all scrubbed. So I scrubbed here to this line. So you can see one side versus the other. This is the scrubbed side. And this is the non-scrubbed side. And then this area over here, started scrubbing it, and then I just took the leftover bit out of here and poured it down the edge to see if I could get a little bit of that heavily soiled area cleaned up a bit better. So we'll see how that goes. But we're all done, and this is the area that we power washed. This has all been power washed. And this is the area that we did not power wash, I just used the hose. I could go back again and do another round with more product on the more stained areas, but I don't need to because I'm going to be sealing the deck. So I'm pretty pleased with this. I think it looks good.